Hello family, welcome to another beautiful edition of Annie Author's channel. If today's your first day watching me, please hit the red button that says subscribe and you will be among the very first people that will be notified whenever I post something new. If you're a returning friend, well-wisher, subscriber, family, thank you so much for coming back again. I really appreciate and love you. All right. So I decided to upgrade my son's phone. He is 13 years old, so we went to the mall together so that he can choose what he really loves. And we ended up choosing Galaxy A52 5G Samsung phone. It was launched in April 2021. It's a very good phone. I reviewed a whole lot online, and I think it's very appropriate for a young teen. It cost me like $664.63. I do not want to buy any iPhone for him for now until he gets to high school. I'm not promoting this phone, but it's good. Let's go. So this one here has the charger and the ear plug and all that?
Yeah, it's in the box.
Okay.
I have mine if you want to see it. Does he want to change the buttons? Or you just want to leave them black?
Maybe he can do that later. Touchy, do you want to change the buttons or you want to leave them the way they are? Do you want to change the buttons? You know the buttons on the side? Or you want to leave them the way they are? You want to change it?
Yeah, just leave the way it is.
Okay.
I just want to change it.
He changes mine. To what color? The blue or the green?
So just, all you have to do is just pop these out
That's new. I haven't seen that before.
and then just put these in there.
Go ahead and pop it, Tosha. I think it goes the other way out. Pop it outward.
Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm almost there.
Okay. Yep. You can put it down if you want.
That one's going to go the other way just because it's paired together. It's not one separate one.
Yes, inward?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Got it? Okay, so choose what color you prefer.
The blue one.
You're gonna press a little harder so they can pop up. Don't plug the other one. Yeah, I'm like, wait, that's Gloria. Yeah. I think that one goes from the outside. You wanna do blue and green? I think it goes from the outside. Is it? Okay.
Oh, it is.
Push a little harder, straight.
From the inside. Oh, from the inside. Yeah.
Okay. So keep the other ones, the black one and the blue one. You have a little Ziploc?
I don't. But you can put them.
Oh, there.
We have some.
Put it in here. Put the buttons.
And I don't think
America's 5G.
Okay. It's all good?
right, so you would keep it, like let's say,
So touch, here you go. And what do you say? Pull that down a little bit. Let me see your face, your smiling face. You got a new phone. All right. Can I see your phone? In the back? Okay. No smile? Oh, you should be excited.
We're gonna go to the food court upstairs to get some food. Yeah, actually wearing mask is not mandatory, but we're just wearing it for precautionary measures because we prefer to wear it. Yeah, my son is taller than me anyway. So, and my daughter, one of my daughters is coming behind too. We're climbing upstairs to go get some food.
Okay, so we're here a little hungry. I haven't had Chinese food for a while. So here at the mall, we're gonna be getting some Chinese food. All right. Okay guys, so this is my Chinese food. So I have the Chinese fried rice and I have teriyaki chicken and beef broccoli. I love my hot sauce on this side. My daughter got Chick-fil-A. That's a spicy chicken sandwich and also the fries and the drink anyway. And my son is having his over there. He also got the spicy chicken and fries and of course lemonade drink. Alright, so here's mine. You know, since the COVID era, the mall has been pretty much very quiet. Yep, so people don't precautionally don't come out that much anymore because of the COVID issue. But in overall, people are gradually resuming their outings, especially since the kids are on summer holidays. Yeah. Alright, let me concentrate on eating my food.
Okay, we done eating. We're just going down the escalator. Yeah. Hey, son.
We're just gonna head towards our car. It's been a long day, but we're still gonna make a stop at the grocery store to pick up one or two things before heading home. Oh, it rained a little bit. We were inside the mall and we did not even realize that it was raining out here. Yeah, there's some puddle of water here and there. Blessings. Thank you guys for listening to another beautiful edition of Annie's channel. I love you guys. Please stay safe. Stay safe. Bye guys. Bye. Mwah.